a dance that more than 1 million sisters have seen. Double teaching dismantling and hairstyle tutorial for a pair of Hansina. 4.5 minutes of follow-up teaching. Here he is at last. Matchmaker teacher, now my face. I apply 2 layers of this makeup primer. In order to enhance the sense of water light, the teacher used this because... So before makeup, I use these 2 products in total. Then use a small brush to remove a very small amount. Brush the whole face with the color Milk. But it brightens up very much. In particularly dark places. Always use partial stocking this shallow. Purple concealer brightening liquid. What about the concealer part? Thorn with Salmon. To cover dark circles under the eyes and dark rash around the lips. Always use fish meal to cover my double eyelids. Apply a yellow tone natural foundation to your face. Pat well. What about this product? It is brightened with a whiter LED color number. Malt here. The teacher dipped it with a nose shadow brush. Grooming to fix the nose. The nose is repaired with a core. Nose. Yamane's sadness was also emphasized. The bone feel of this nose is like it was born. Face. The side was repaired with this gray-brown shadow liquid. Let me show you the location of the repair. Pay attention to this place. The repair area is quite large, but it cleaves the temple perfectly. Sure enough. Purple hydrating blush brightens face and chin. Then set the makeup with a setting spray on the whole face. To press down the upper and lower eyelids. Start applying eye makeup now. This is the eyeshadow disc I will use today. Use this color as a base. It is the end of the eyes and the root of the eyelashes. Deepen within double eyelid folds. Our teacher has smudged it many times here. He smudged it in small amounts and multiple times. What about Sister Xianyan? It is to mix these 2 colors in this plate first. Let's draw an outline of the lower limbs. Then use this darkest color to deepen it a few times. Then come and say, occupy the 3C1 to deepen the dark color. Eyelash roots and eyes. The limbs will also be deepened with this fish meal. Today's double eyelid sticker is a more natural one. After posting, the teacher used the darkest pink brown. Smudge the end of my eyes. When drawing Aegyo saliva, look at the teacher's approach. First, set the approximate location, then push up along the shadow. This Aegyo saliva is not that narrow at the front and wide at the back. Instead, a shadow parallel to the root of the lower eyelash. After drawing, I brightened it with this Aegyo cell pen. Whoa, I got hit by a wall again. This Aegyo saliva puffs up. The teacher used the whiter bulging end. Then use beige eyeshadow. Press the light-breaking feeling. The teacher cut my eyelashes very warped today. Now uses the superposition of these 2 styles. The fur is now cat's paw. These are the products we use in class. No wonder it feels so familiar. After each eyelash is pasted, you have to rub it with the bottom of this putty. Stereotype. After pasting the eyelashes, the inner eyeliner is added. I used a black eyeliner pen. The end of the left eye is drawn a little lower at the beginning. Later, after communication and adjustment, this is the case. End eyeliner similar to Kitten lines. The lower eyeliner is the deepest 1/3 of the windshield. It was painted by stabbing that eyeshadow. Next, teacher. Just use this eyeshadow. The connection has transitioned the eyeliner and eyeshadow. By the way, I deepened the head and tail of the eyes to increase the smokiness and deepen the Aegyo saliva. Did you notice? Exquisite and perfect makeup. It's an overlay of countless details. It's never done in one step. The teacher will use this color to put stickers on my eyelids again. It's those pink-brown vibes. Eyebrows. The teacher is the first. Dye your eyebrows with Barbie Spice Girl. Cream as a base. Comb the direction of the hair while priming. Is that so? The sharpened eyebrow pencil is stacked 1 by 1. Pay attention when clipping. The surrounding eyebrow should be aligned. The thickness should also be the same. You also have to adjust the eyebrows. Know that the teacher is very concerned about the brow. The hair of the media is shaped by the flu, especially the media lines. Sisters who are as peaceful as me, pay attention to the teacher's hands. What about lipstick? The teacher uses blackhead color 02 first. Go to mushroom lip line. Then use No. 01 to draw the lip line. Occupy the opposition with your lips. Bella's color 45 is based from the inside out. Make sure that the color of the outer ring is the lightest. Use this W6 to take a screenshot. He's a little bit smaller. Then use this higher saturation N1. Go overlay 1. Doo-doo in your lips, don't underestimate this. This step is the day-to-day shallow lips. It feels energetic and sexy. The key blush is to use the 05 and BBI here. 4 to deepen. Brighten the eyelids, and nose again. Finally, click a few more moles and you're done. And then some of the discoveries. Do you think this is a curling iron? Rolled out. In fact, only one cardboard clip was used throughout the process. Hair is first partitioned from behind the ears to the top. Take 2 feet of hair above the ear. Fingerboard clip. Iron the first roll from ear level. Each of the following volumes should be as consistent as possible. The second hair is the same as the previous one. All from ear level. Iron and arch. Range, try to shave your hair from the monk. In this way, the ironed rolls will not be messy. On the top of the head, take a finger-wide amount of hair and iron the stovetop. In fact, the root of the hair is pushed in the opposite direction, so a natural stove roof comes out. Divide the top of the head into 2 layers to iron. The arc connection will be more natural. We can keep the bangs for later. The third time, the hair is still from the ear. The sensitive position starts to burn. In this way, the overall hairstyle will be more neatly connected. When ironing bangs, iron the roots first. Do an inversion in the eyebrow-lined position. Inward buckle at the end of the hair. Bangs that naturally modify the face shape is okay. The other half is the same. Finally, use moisturizing hair wax to pinch out the overall shape. The hairstyle is done.